Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert a digital signature in a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your fillable PDF form with Foxit PDF Editor and this top menu bar. Here you will find this form option. Click here and this signature icon, digital signature. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor to your digital signature box and press right button for your mouse cursor and select properties dialog box. This general option, you can change signature field name, visible, you can make it read only required. And this appearance option, you can change border color, border thickness, you can add fill color if you want, and add the signature color and make it this red color. Now select colors. Yes, hand option. Now create this belong signature box. Now click on this box and this. Now you have to sign up your document. Click on this sign as arrow and it's new ID. A new digital ID I have to create now. Select this one, and if you have existing ID, you can select one. Now select next and select this one and next and type here your signature name and unit and organization name. Now select email and country and select here your country, all of the country here. Now select next and create password. And select finish and see this signature style. Now we can remove this Foxit logo if you want and this page. This label. So you can remove date if you want and so on. Now select OK and finally select sign. Enter your password and see this digital signature now added this form. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.